Hi everyone, welcome to Quick Math World. 90% of students get this wrong in exam, but today I'll teach you one trick that solve it in just 20 seconds. Watch till the end. This is x plus 1 over x equal to 3. We find the value of x power 5 plus 1 over x power 5. So let's start. X plus 1 over x equal to 3. Equal to 3. Now first step is taking square on both sides. So x plus 1 over x whole square equals to 3 square, and x plus 1 over x whole square is algebraic formula a plus b whole square. This is very famous formula and equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now using this formula, x square plus 1 over x square, this is a square plus b square, plus 2 into a into b, x into 1 over x equal to 3 whole square is 9, and x into 1 over x cancel to each other, x is x cancel, so x square plus 1 over x square plus 2 x cancel equal to 9, x square plus 1 over x square equal to 2 shifted toward the right hand side of this equation, which is minus 2, and x square plus 1 over x square is equal to 7. 9 minus 2 equal to 7. This is our first equation. X square plus 1 over x square equal to 7. This is our first equation. X square plus 1 over x square equal to 7. This is first equation. Now multiplying x plus 1 over x into x square plus 1 over x square. X plus 1 over x into x square plus 1 over x square equals to x into x cube plus x times 1 over x square is equal to x over x square, and 1 over x times x cube is 1 over x into 1 over x square is 1 over x cube, and plus x 1 over x times x square is x square divided by x, so x cube plus 1 over x cube plus x and x cancel, remaining is 1 over x and x cancel, plus remaining is x, so separate to each other. X plus 1 over x value is 3, and x square plus 1 over x square value is 7. Now putting these two values and multiplying these two values, which is 21, equals x cube plus 1 over x cube into plus x plus 1 over x and value is 3. Now putting this value 3 and plus 3 shift toward the left hand side of this equation, which is minus 3, and 21 minus 3 equals x cube plus 1 over x cube. And 21 minus 3 is 18 equals x cube plus 1 over x cube. This is second equation. Now second step is again multiplying x plus 1 over x with x cube plus 1 over x cube, this way. So x cube plus 1 over x cube into x plus 1 over x, which is equal to multiplying x cube times x is x power 4 plus x cubes time is 1 over x is x cube divided by x plus 1 over x cube time is 1 over x is 1 over x power 4 and 1 over x power cube is times 1 over x is x over x cube. Now x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4 combining and plus x and x cancel, so remaining is x square plus x and x cancel and remaining is 1 over x square. Now putting these values, x cube plus 1 over x cube value is 18. 18, yes, 18, and x plus 1 over x value is 3. 18 times 3 is 54, which is equal to x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4, and the value of x square plus 1 over x square is 7 from equation number 1. So plus 7 shift toward the left hand side of this equation becomes minus 7, which is equal to x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4, and 54 minus 7 is 47, which is equal to x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4. This is equation number 3. So again multiplying x plus 1 over x with x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4, x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4 into x plus 1 over x equal to x 4 times x is x power 5 plus x 4 times 1 over x is x 4 over x plus 1 over x power 4 times x is x plus over x power 4, and 1 over x 4 times 1 over x is x power 5, which is equal to x power 5 plus 1 over x power 5 combined plus x is x cancel and remaining is x power 3 plus x is x cancel and 1 over x 3 is combined. So now putting these two values, x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4 value is 47, x plus 1 over x value is 3. Now 47 times 3 is 141 equal to x power 5 plus 1 over x power 5 plus x cube plus 1 over x cube value is from equation number 3 is 18. Now plus 18 shift toward the left hand side of this equation, which becomes minus 18, and remaining is x power 5 plus 1 over x power 5. So 141 minus 18 equal to 123 equals to x power 5 plus 1 over x power 5, which is required answer. X power 5 plus 1 over x power 5 equals to 123. This is our required answer, and I find this value from with the help of x plus 1 over x equal to 3. I hope you learned it very easily. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this with your friends. Comment your score out of 10. I'll see you in the next video with another easy trick. Keep believing in yourself. Thanks for watching.